Will we see some cheaper Bitcoin prices in 2023? A lot of analysts out there think first quarter of 2023 could be our lows in this bear market. And one of those people out there who also is waiting for some cheaper Bitcoin is billionaire Mark Cuban. He says he wants to buy more Bitcoin, but at much lower prices. Now, what does much lower prices mean from current levels? Well, we're currently at 16,500. A lot of people calling for 12,000, 10 to 12,000. Some people out there saying we're going to see a $3,000 Bitcoin. They're all over the place with predictions, but most people, from what I'm reading and gathering, somewhere in the neighborhood of $12,000 to $13,000 Bitcoin, of course, could be on the table here still in this bear market. I want to take you inside what Mark Cuban's talking about here a little bit. And by the way, welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Appreciate you guys so much for stopping back by the CCX channel. Also, hit that Discord link down there as well. Hop in there. A lot of great things happening in 2023 with the future of DeFi here with CCX. So let's get in here. On an upcoming episode of comedian Bill Maher's podcast, Club Random, Dallas Mavs owner Mark Cuban expressed his interest in purchasing more Bitcoin. He commented that he wanted the largest cryptocurrency to go down a lot further before investing more. Cuban went on to tell Maher he thinks Bitcoin is a good investment, although he did not advise not promoting people to buy the cryptocurrency. As reported by you today, the billionaire recently told TMZ that it was important to separate signal from noise in the wake of the recent FTX crash. Cuban has repeatedly had an opinion that Bitcoin has to be treated as an alternative to gold and should be approached like any other asset class. The largest cryptos trading down at 16.5 right now. Cuban also had some interesting remarks about gold in his podcast with Bill Maher. He said that, you know what, if you have gold, you're dumb as bleep. So interesting insight there. He went on to talk about how Bitcoin is essentially a better gold. I actually listened to that whole clip. We won't play it in this video, but it was fascinating. Bill Maher mentioned that he has gold, really doesn't have Bitcoin, and Mark Cuban pretty much gave him the put the pedal to the metal on why Bitcoin's better than gold. And when you look at the asset comparatively, Bitcoin to gold since 2009 when Bitcoin was created, Bitcoin has crushed gold. I mean, this year is an outlier where gold has outpaced everything because we're just such in a terrible spot due to inflation, right? That's where that's where gold thrives. But gold has been pretty quiet, right, for the last 10 years, while Bitcoin has produced a ton of millionaires and billionaires in the process and it's changed lives a lot more than gold has over the past 11, 12 years. So it'll be interesting to kind of watch this play out. Maybe when Mark Cuban maybe makes public when he wants to go in and buy. What do you think? Is he waiting for a $12,000, $13,000, $14,000 Bitcoin? I do think 2023 will be another opportunity, especially this first half, to accumulate cryptocurrency, to accumulate more Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of the top ones, right? This is something we should certainly talk about because this, in a lot of people's opinions, is one massive opportunity, guys. It's very easy to kind of look the other way and run away from this market right now and completely shut down. But man, we might look back on this 5 to 10 years from now and say, wow, what a chance we had. What an opportunity we had to acquire some great Bitcoin. Who knows? We might be looking up at a Bitcoin well over $100,000 in the next cycle, right? Which couldn't be far from here, maybe even back half of 2023 into 2024, where the next Bitcoin halving will take place in the spring of 2024. So let me know what you guys think about this down below. Appreciate you guys so much for stopping back by the channel. Drop your thoughts, comments, ideas down there. We'll talk very soon.